siya, may guide na or may guide dito siya. Okay.
Are you excited?
Yeah,
This is your first time in Yoki's farm. What can you say?
I'm gonna feed the ducks and pet them.
What are you excited to see?
Ducks!
Really? Okay, bye.
Daddy, is it safe to hold?
Ask ate.
Ate, is the duck safe to hold po?
No.
Oh,
Okay.
they might bite you.
Our ducks here is wild ducks.
Oh, wild ducks.
Welcome po sa Yoki's Farm. So, ang Yoki's Farm po is 10 hectares land po siya. Pero 4 hectares pa lang po ang nagagamit. So, yung pa lang po ang maikutan natin. So,
Okay.
ang tour po natin is abutin po ng 1 to 2 hours. So, 1 to 2 hours po tayong maglalakad po. Pero tatagal pa po yun. Depende po sa atin kung mag-stay po tayo sa mga animals.
Okay.
Then, we have 3 major walking attraction or 3 pupuntahan po or dadaanan. So, may anti-collection museum po tayo. So, dito po mga old Asian artifacts po yung makikita natin and also personal collection po ng ating owner. And the next one po is mga hydro greenhouse. So, dito naman po mga vegetable po yung pinipictures namin. So, kung gusto niyo po ng mga fresh na vegetable, nagbebenta rin po kami. And then the last one is the exotic and domestic animals. So, ang package po natin is animal encounter. So, ibig sabihin lahat po ng animals is mapapakain po natin and makakapasok po tayo sa mga cage po nila.
You will go inside the animal's cage.
Meron po kami ditong food hub in case po na after ng tour is magutom po kayo. May mga
Okay.
food po tayo dyan. And also, may playground po para po kay ate.
Nona.
Yes.
Yeah.
I go inside the
First
cage,
area
right?
po natin is rabbit house po.
Okay. See, oh.
So, ang Yoki's Farm po ay 20
Sapatos mo, Bi,
years
madala
na
siya.
po siya.
Ah.
So, inopen po siya is 2005. So, sumikat po ang Yoki's Farm dahil po sa ating capybara.
Oh, Yoki's farm. Kung 20 years to, di matandaan na rin si Sir Yoki.
Apo. Dito po muna tayo sa mga...
Ko, kayabang. Kay Tito Jet.
Eli, no nag-aagawan.
But look, yun, oh. They're hungry.
Eli, nag-aagawan. What are you doing?
Ito ikaw ate.
Eli, Eli. Ayan o. Kid them. Takaw ah. Huwag mo bitawan.
Ito yung New Zealand rabbit yung common na. You want to feed the guinea pig naman? There's a sa other side. Meron po.
I like these.
Here.
Do we still need the
Really, looks like Sanya's rabbit.
Yeah, if you...
But it's far to be cute.
Iwan na siya dito eh. Parang, oo, ikaw na lang siya siguran.
Hello. Eat.
So, ang mga koi po kasi nalaki po yan. Once na yung pan po nila or nilalangoyan is malawak.
Okay.
Pero pag siksikan lang po sila, kagaya po nito, hindi po sila lalaki.
Mommy, parrot house.
Alam pa, pagkain yan, pigs.
Pellets po, sir.
Ah.
So, mga for sale po namin yung mga nasa net. Tortoise naman po.
Really? Let the camera go first.
You go first.
Pwede na po tayo direct. So, dito po yung ating food hub and also playground sa magkatabi lang po.
Okay. Open na yung food hub.
Kaya may swimming pool po yan sa likod, also may restaurant po sa loob. Pero dahil sumapit po ang ating pandemic, sinara po.
Sinara na muna.
So ngayon po is rest house na lang po siya ng owner.
Si owner hindi siya dito nakatira.
Sa Manila po, sir.
Ah.
So, isa turtles po.
Spelling.
So, ang tortoise po, pang land lang po yan. So, mga pagong po yan sa Tagalog. Ang turtle naman po is pawikan. So, pang water po sila. So, papasok po tayo sa...
Hello, look! We're going to...
Tortoise.
Yeah. Going to experience this. Hello.
You feed Bernie.
Hello, Bernie.
Hold tight, ate.
Wow.
Wala na.
Have more pa, ate.
Petsay.
Sa buong araw, busog to malamang. Sa dami pagpapakain.
Opo, kaya mabilis rin po silang mabusog.
Sa dami ng kakain yan eh.
Maghapon po.
Hello.
Only this one. The big one.
Opo, lonely siya eh.
So, tawag po pala sa kanila ang laboratory. So, umabot po sila ng 150 years po.
Naku,
Pero
deads na
ngayon
tayo.
po, 25 years old pa lang po.
Andito pa sila.
Opo.
Hello, Lucky.
Lucky. Lucky.
Oh, go to yung kaso. Lucky is heavy eh. Cannot walk properly. Oh. Hello.
It's properly.
Not it properly. Come on, Lucky.
Hey, don't eat
So,
the
you can touch her shell din, ate.
It's just making mukbang.
Mukbang.
Yeah, ASMR.
I can see its tongue. Hey. Hello.
You want to touch? Touch mo yung shell niya. Just like this lang.
Hello.
Give them more food.
It's hard. It's hard like a rock.
Hello.
Grabe.
Hey. Why they eating this
So
one?
sila po, hindi po sila na po yung Anti-Collection Museum. So lahat po ng mga nanditong statue is pwede po yan sakyan or upuan. So gawa po yan sa metal brass po. So yung ating golden lapping Buddha from Thailand pa po yan. So bago po yan ma-ship dito is dinivide po siya into 4 or hinati po. Is
Oh,
ito
laki
na lang
niyan
po
eh.
siya.
Little
Tawag po sa
baby
kanila is
turtle.
ear slider turtle po.
Little turtle.
Personal collection po ng ating owner. So ang ating owner po kasi is antique-collector po talaga.
Pwede pumasok.
Kaya lahat po yan is antique po.
Ang walang magawa sa pera si Sir Yoshi.
Opo.
Collection eh. So magaling pa tong mga ibang bansa, no?
Opo, lahat po yan.
Don't hold anything.
So may mga old typewriters po tayo dito and also yung computer po na IBM.
Yun. Mga lumang-lumang Petromax pa to.
So may slot machine din po tayo pero sobrang luma na rin po. So kaya po pala napapunta ng Pilipinas sa Sir yung pinakapangasawa po ng Pinay.
Ah,
Kaya
yun
may
pala.
Catholic po tayo ditong chapel.
At hindi para sa Sir Yoshi, pinayan ng pangasawa.
So papakita ko rin po sa inyo yung pinakamahal po niyang collection. Meron din rin po tayo dito ng terracotta wire. So yan po yung nakakauna sa China.
Replica yan? Hindi yan yung...
Replica lang
O kasi
po.
bawal kunin
Yung
yun.
original po kasi bawal pong kuhanin yun.
Alias, yung magawa sa pera.
So ang ivory po sa ngayon ay illegal na po mag-collect po ng ganyan kasi nakukuha po yan sa pinakataas po ng elephant. So
Ah,
ibig sabihin marami pong namamatay
Namatay
na
ng elephant, oo.
para po magawa. So pati po yung mga billiard table, so hindi niya po yan nilaruan, ginawa niya lang pong patungan ng mga collection niya po yan. So marami pa rin po tayo sa labas na kastock. Ano yung sa taas? Yung ivory.
Ellie, come on. It's nice.
it looks 230. Not
So, sa mga Buddha po pala, may ibig sabihin po yan. Pagka nakaupo po ang Buddha, so ibig sabihin
Pagod.
po ng is peace.
Kala ko pagod.
Pagka nakatayo po ang Buddha, ibig sabihin po is war. Ganun po sa ating mga.
Okay.
So, our next animal po is pot-bellied pig or yung mga pig po na nagagawang pet po sa loob ng bahay.
Naku, Eli. Please don't, like pig.
Ha?
You might ask mommy to, pet a pig.
It's a pig, not a real pig.
Yeah, but a pig too.
Pig grits.
So, yan po yung mga pinipet po sa loob ng bahay. So, binibenta rin po namin yan.
Daddy chicken.
Po, big chicken.
So, yung ganyan po, bawal pong kainin or katayin po. Kasi
Not
Sakit pa.
I'm not. I have energy for the
So,
duckling.
nandito po sana yung ating alpaca sa area po na to. Kaso nga lang po ngayon, nandito
Wala
po
na.
sila sa loob po ng bahay nila yung dito sa loob.
Hard na.
So, nakakulong.
I'm sure.
Let's see the zebra.
So, we see a zebra, ostrich, and miniature horse.
First. The duck's last.
Yes.
Save the best for last, Eli.
Yung po siya yung medyo nakasilip po dun sa bahay po nila.
Ellie, you try to call. Kaso tulog.
Ikaw ba naman naka-air?
You want to feed the zebra and touch the ostrich and horse? Or not?
I want to ride the horse.
No.
Maybe we can try to
Sa banana. Ostrich.
the largest bird.
I'll feed the ostrich.
So here, inside.
Zebra.
Ang dami na pala natin.
There's a black horse and an ostrich.
So inform ko lang po kayo na pag makakakain po tayo.
I'll feed the horsey.
Sibra daw.
Horsey.
Bait mo ate.
Why?
Sila manghila.
Oh, horse. Horse. Feed me.
Give it away. Yan. If they take it, give it na.
How about this one? So her name is Marty and Harley.
Marty.
You can touch Marty. This one.
I want that because he's so malakas.
He's so malakas.
But the horse mas malakas.
Mas malakas ang horse.
Wait, what? Tug of war.
Tag of war.
There's a sheep. Sheep. Tug of war. Tug of war. There's sheep. 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 Why? Okay. Kimis.
Baka akala niya food yung kamay mo.
Mukbang ah.
Mukbang.
Understood?
Breakfast nila yan ate.
Anong lunch and dinner?
May turtle din. So yung red barn po pala, bahay po yan ng ating zebra po. So every 5 p.m. marunong po silang umuwi.
Alam na nila.
Oh, that's
Opo,
a
bubuksan lang po yung gate.
Oh,
We have a
that's
small
nice.
tortoise here. So the one who climb in this side.
Look at the chicken, Eli.
So hairy, rockstar.
So big.
And then a
Looks like KFC fried chicken.
fancy chicken. Fancy.
So ito naman po ang
Fancy chicken. Hello, baby. There.
So mga capybara po, semi-aquatic animal po.
Hello,
Kaya may swimming pool po sila dun sa loob.
Oh, that's a huge pig.
So hindi po sila pwedeng walang water kasi naglalangoy po talaga.
Gusto talaga nila na.
Capybaras.
So ito po yung pigs na nakita natin kanina. So nalaki po sila ng ganyan.
That's a big one.
Ito mo ganyan pet mo, ha?
Kaya mahirap din po sila maalagaan po sa loob ng bahay kasi nalaki po talaga sila.
Sa gusto talaga nilang madumi.
Pang mga farm lang po talaga sila.
Farm animal sheep.
Yes.
Yeah, Baba Black Sheep.
Here's the dinosaur chocolate.
Chocolate.
Po. Pala siya.
Hershey's.
So yan po siya si Kevin po yan sa app. So, living dinosaur po natin yan kasi kung makita niyo po yung paa niya. So, ganyan po ang paa ng Velociraptor dinosaur po. So, one of the most dangerous bird in the capybara.
Oh, so big.
So, capybara is an excellent swimmer. So, they can swim.
Yeah,
Pupunta na lang sila dyan.
Also excellent.
Opo, sir. Bubuksan lang po yung gate. Then, opo.
That's also excellent. Hello, fishes. Do capybara eat fish?
No.
Then why they fish in the pool? I know Anaconda. We watch that. We watch the movie Anaconda.
A large snake.
Yes. Bida always win.
You want to touch the snake?
No. 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 I'm not
Umaraw
getting
na.
bit. I'm not getting bit.
We have a lot of birds here. We have a cockatoo, parakeet, macaw. You want to fish them?
I want to hit them.
Here's
I want
the
to hit.
the Burmese python. A large snake.
Nako!
So this one is albino. So ito po yung pwede pang hawakan or i-pet po sa loob ng bahay. Hindi po katulad nito. So ito po yung mga nasa gubat na po nakagala-gala.
Ito, alam ko. Sawa.
Sawa na po yan. So ito po, mga napipet pa po yan sa bahay. So sila po dito every...
Pag doon ba yun?
What's he doing?
Sleeping.
Oh my god.
So this one, the snapping turtle.
It does nothing.
So ito po yung dangerous nating turtle. So yung pag pinasok niyo po yung daliri niyo paglabas po ay wala na.
Nangagat siya.
Nangangagat po talaga. Malakas po yung biting force po. So this one, the small snake, the ball python. You want to touch?
No, I want to touch the yellow.
How about this? What is this?
Spider.
Tarantula. So that is
Tarantula?
poisonous also.
And then I want to pet the yellow, orange, and white parrots.
Okay. We have a yellow orange parrot here. Dito Ivy puma. So yung mga ganyan po, ganyan po yung standard size po nila. So,
And then white parrot.
Kakain naman po sa kanila.
Oh, that's a huge one. Daddy, look. That's a huge one.
Yeah.
Eddie, Daddy,
Where's the monkey?
that's you. They have you. Baboon.
Baboon ni.
Here's
Baboon.
the monkey. His name is Spanky. What
Pangkrigor.
is Spanky?
See a baboon.
Yes, it's like a baboon. His butt is like a baboon. So this is the ducks area. So dito po muna tayo sa loob.
Ay,
So yan po ang aming male monkey. So we stay
Hello, street says.
Hello ko. There's swimming si Kapi.
Happy. Jump. 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 What kind of chicken is that?
Look, oh, it's a chicken, it's a bird.
So it's like eating
Alin?
a darna. Bird is a crane. So
Crane.
did you know Master Crane in Kung Fu Panda?
I don't
It's
watch.
Master Crane in Kung Fu Panda.
Huh.
That one is so very aggressive when you encounter him.
But we already encounter. Ah! That's the baby capybara. Ah!
Let's wait for our baby.
That's the white and yellow bird.
You want to touch? Mango, very kind and sweet.
Put it here.
Naka, si Ellie dito.
On your other shoulder. Very kind. You can feed them also.
But just try it.
You want to try the big bird? Ito namin yung mga ganito. Magkano yan? 15K ma'am.
What? I don't want the parrot to.
Ito sila, no? Pare-pareho lang.
Same.
Hey, Laila, wala.
So that's the capybara.
Yes, capybara.
Look, they're eating na.
Nagigiting na.
Hello. Just like you,
Touch
Ellie.
that also.
Huh?
You can touch.
Ellie, just like you. After swimming, eating.
Friendly also like mango, the parrot.
You want to touch?
Daddy,
Hmm.
when we go to Nova Bayan, buy me a yellow parrot, but it's male.
Sige. And- careful. Let me pag-guide. Siguro yung sunod na punta na sinulan na.
Sa ngayon po kasi tinetrain pa po namin sila para ma-encounter.
Ah.
It's okay, girl.
How about the owl?
White owl. The snow owl. Snowy owl.
Eh, no?
I like snow owl.
Yeah.
Boot.
That's the largest owl here in the Philippines.
Wow, so big, oh.
Ano? You hungry?
Tired?
Gusto niya po si Mango eh, kaso po nasa ibang...
So I can see naman myself in the picture.
That's the alpaca. Baby alpaca. The brown one.
Diba, I'm just following. Naharangan kasi. Basa.
Touch mo siya, touch. Touch mo.
It's like a carpet.
Made out of carpet.
Hello. It's Halloween.
Agatin mo, agatin mo.
That is Linay.
Bye-bye, Queen Nai.
You want mango only?
Sige, Mommy said if you got good grades daw.
Good grades.
Mm-hmm.
That's a high chance of getting good grades.
Diba, you get it on November 3.